This is a polished slab of granite. It's very flat and stable. I've clamped on an oversized piece of abrasive. All I want to do is take off the high spots, a couple thousandths of an inch. This is fine copper wire, 5/1000ths of an inch in diameter. Glue this down around each pushrod tunnel, crossing the ends of the wire. Also glue it down around the oil return hole, crossing the ends. We're using a copper head gasket, and to keep it from leaking oil, we're going to seal it with Pliobond contact cement. Run a small bead around each bore, the pushrod tunnels, and the oil return hole. You have to coat each side of the head gasket, the cylinders, and the head because it has to bond to each metal surface. Let it semi-dry before assembling. If the head gets glued to the cylinders, use a piece of wood and a hammer against the exhaust nut to knock it loose.